charger?
I bought it.
When you buy that?
Don't get in my truck asking for. It is. I just got it the other day.
The other day?
I really do need to stop. I really do need to stop. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Don't steal my charger. Sit back. Since my booty is burning.
Your booty?
Yes.
Why?
It's just burning real bad, like on the inside.
You did it in the booty.
Girl, what are you talking about? Be quiet.
You did it in the booty.
No, I didn't.
It's dusty in your... Sorry.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Dude, you just wet me. That's nasty. And you slobbed on me. That's trifling.
Oh my God, it's all over my hand.
Takia, don't do that. Go back in. Go back in there. That's not funny. Go back in there.
I'm sorry. It's dusty. Turn it up.
It's not dusty in here. I just want to go get my truck clean.
Turn the heat back. Or something.
That's nasty.
Turn it back.
That's trifling.
I'm sorry. I didn't try that. I didn't try to do that.
Don't do that again. That's nasty. That's on my neck. That's on my shirt. That's on me. That's nasty. Ew. I'm so sorry. It's what you finna say. That's not funny. Stop laughing in my face. But I hurt you on you. And how the hell you let all that stuff come out like that?
I didn't try to. I tried to. You see me do like that? I did not try to do that.
I'm ready for you
That's
to go
embarrassing.
now. No, I'm ready for you to go now.
Oh, my finger. My knuckle needs to crack. It's like stuck really bad.
What are you putting in your nose?
Nothing.
Is you on that stuff?
No.
Sneeze that way. Takia. Alright, Takia, you gotta go. Get out. Get out.
No.
Get out. Get out. You're sneezing on me purposely. Get out. That's trifling. Corona going around. I'm not getting it twice.
Drop me off at the door.
Trifling little girl. You steady sneezing. You steady sneezing like it ain't corona going around. You steady sniffling like you got some crack up your nose. That's stupid. It don't make no sense, Takia. That's common sense. When you sneeze the other way, or you put it in your arm. Then how the hell snot get all the way over here,
I don't
Takia?
know.
You getting out.
My nose got a mind
Bye.
of its own.
Yo, what? Ooh.
My nose got a mind of its own. Obviously. Why are you doing that?
You let me sneeze on you.
Who is that? I'm ugly.
Get out.
I'm so...
Get out, Takia.
Binky!
Get out, Takia.
I'm so...
Get out of my car.
Did you just pop me?
Get out of my car. Your head has full of snot. Ugh. Move, dummy. Move, dummy. Move. Move, Takia. Get out. No, get out. Get out. Can you get out, please? Can you get out? Like, go.
Napkins, I'm not gonna track this in my room.
Get out of there.
I can't get no napkins.
Wipe it on your pants. Wipe it. Come here. Stop. Why would you do that? Move. Get out of here. Get out of here, Takia, now. That's trifling. This is a brand new shirt. Get out. It's not funny. Toodaloo.
Come on, bro.
No, I want you to leave, bro, because that's trifling. You just wiped hella snot on me. Like, that's totally disrespectful.
I didn't try to.
That's totally disrespectful. Can you please get out, bro? I'm not, no. Ow, nothing.
What are you doing? Where's you going? You driving
No, I'm taking you to the hospital.
You driving too fast.
Okay, I'm taking you right back, bro. This is so stupid to me.
My hat.
This is so yes, your hat is about to go outside of the door. Nobody wants to be sneezed on. Nobody.
Why are you yelling?
You're sneezing on me with COVID germs.
Excuse me.
Once you get COVID the first time, you never get away from it. And now you're trying to get me to have it again.
These pants.
Mine.
Where'd you get these from?
can't wait to take them off.
Let me see. This is American Eagle?
No, Fashion Nova.
Oh, these Fashion
I ordered from
Nova.
Fashion Nova before 1 o'clock yesterday, and it came today.
Get out! I want to see your booty.
Okay.
I want to see how it make it look. Cause I'm gonna
It make it look real fat. Yes. I'm not lying. I'm about to show you.
Okay.
I want to take a picture.
And yeah, take a picture.
And I'm gonna tag them like Fashion Nova.
Cause you matchy. Yes.
I'm matching. I got my Yeezys on. I got my Yeezys on. I got my Caesars on. You want to take a picture up in here?
Huh?
Yes, I'm taking you right back.
Why are you taking me back?
Look here. Let's not forget that you was just
My
sneezing on
leg
me.
itch.
Your leg itching my ass, bitch. Get the fuck out of my car. I was trying not to cuss. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Now. You act like somebody did something wrong to you. Get out. Get out. Let me have this.
No.
Exactly.
It's glued.
Let me have this. Stop. Can you get out of my truck? I don't even want you to take my picture no more, bro.
You drinking beer? You drink beer?
What are you doing?
You drink beer.
That's not mine.
This yours.
No, it's not.
That's why your booty
It's a
hole
prank.
hurt.
It's a prank.
That's why your booty hole
No, for real, that's not mine, kid. Get out.
Whose is it? Whose is it? Cause this why your booty burning. Cause you drinking beer.
Kid, stop. Is that beer for real? Is that beer, sis?
This beer.
Is it for real?
This beer. Is it sizzle? It's yeah.
It was
This
so
is
nasty,
beer.
and I drank it.
This beer.
I drank it.
You got
That's
drunk?
No, that's probably why my stomach was hurting.
Yeah.
Beer.
Ew.
I thought it was like water.
Mexican friends?
No, I didn't have Mexican friends. They just gave us food.
You got Mexican. What they get? They got you
Food
that
and
too?
Yeah. And now
I knew it. That's why I said you got Mexican friends because Mexicans drink beer. They like beer.
they do.
Yeah,
I like beer.
I could too.
No, it was so nasty.
It ain't that nasty. That shit gone.
Okay, I'm ready for you to go.
For what?
I don't like
It was not that serious. You don't like me because I just caught you drinking beer.
Get out.
I did not know you drank beer.
I did not know you know how to
me.
sneeze like that, bastard.
That's beyond. No, just.
What's in your hand?
This is Frank. I got a cup of water.
Give me the
right
water.
here.
Give me the water.
No, you're gonna throw it on me.
Pour it out the window.
Just the water. No.
Open the door. Open the door because the window is locked. I just got my truck clean.
Why you locking windows? You trying to you be kidnapping people.
Get out the car.
You be kidnapping people. You be locking windows and
Be quiet.
putting the back doors on.
Come on, we about to take a picture.
You be killing people. You killed somebody before?
No.
You didn't?
Yes, I did.
No.
A key. I don't care no more, kid. I really hope karma gets you.
Okay. All right, y'all. There y'all have it. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Comment down below. Hit that post notification bell so you can know when and that's on period.
Hello, y'all.
And make sure y'all subscribe to Binks So Famous and Binks and Skin and Vibing with P. And that's on.
Oh, my fucking nose. I've been having a lot of boogers. I'm over here like this.
You dry up there? I know you tried to hide it between your legs.